before we get started on this video, I put comments in the replies to comments in the section below video 100 and 101, but Tony, my friend that hang out, my right-hand guy, didn't see them, and I did find that the first one didn't stay. So I wanted to announce the winners for the drawing because I got 2 prizes sitting in there and I haven't heard from you guys. Babs Bowie and Good Enough for Oats were the 2 winners for episodes 100 and 101. I'll be doing some more of these. When we hit milestone numbers, like we hit 200, like maybe 500, I'll give some more stuff away. So keep it up. Keep making the comments and stuff. Help me get and share it around so we can hit that 500 fast. But as soon as you guys send me a message so I can get your delivery details, I will give you your prizes. They are just sitting ready to go, waiting. All that chocolate's just getting old in that bag. So send me a message or even reply to the comment and we'll connect with a message. If you just go look at the website, my email, my cell number's there because that's the phone number for the shop. So you can even text me with your contact details. But Babs Bowie and Good Enough for Oats are the 2 winners of the drawings for episodes 100 and 101. After this, you're going to see an update on the house because I got up early today and grabbed my coffee at Starbucks. It was peppermint mocha warm this morning because it's still wintry outside. It's a little sweet for me. I'm super excited to have peppermint back, but it was a little sweet for me. So I'm going to have to bring back on the sugar on those sorts of drinks or start making my own again. I'll show you how I make that actually because I think that's pre-morning coffee, but a sugar-free version of a peppermint mocha. But enjoy the video. Have a look at the house. It's still a hot mess, but we're getting there. Progress, baby steps. Enjoy, and you 2 people, let me know who you are and where you are. All right, I've had my morning coffee. Well, picked it up at Starbucks, and we are under the Magnolia Tree in the front yard. I haven't checked in. I haven't showed you the house in a while, but it's busy this morning. David's going in through the front door. Not quite sure why. Our yard is trashed. There's debris everywhere and dead things. We have a new driveway that has already gotten pine needles all over it. All over it. Garage, the door is broken. Sad, sad, sad. We have a broken gutter. But we're gonna put a rain chain right there, I think. I don't know though, because that hole in the driveway is a bit difficult. But let's go upstairs. Let's go into the house. There's the front porch. I haven't been on the front porch in a while. We have a ceiling fan that I'm gonna change out. I don't know what though. I don't know what too. All right. Ooh, my. So, yeah, things take a long time to look good when you're having a house fixed up. So there are tools everywhere. Uh-oh. Oh, that's not good. We have a heater here. That's scary. These are mini splits. This part goes outside. That's all our tile to go in the bathrooms. Oh, and the guy has laid it out. So, this is the baseboard mini split, I believe. It's gonna go in the dining room. There's the tile layout. That's gonna go in the bathroom. Dirt everywhere. This is gonna get worse before it gets better. Wall mini split. One of those is going in the kitchen. The dining room is just a hot mess. We're gonna go into my room first. Oh, that is a mini split that's gonna go right there. And that's quite nice. Good, it is very unobtrusive. All right, this is my room. Ooh, not sure why we have insulation in here, maybe from the bathroom. This is, oh, we have water. Wonder why we have water. Don't know what leaked. Oh, it's from the sink. They didn't clean it up very well. There's the roughed in shower. So that's going to have big tiles on it, and then this whole room is going to be black and white. But I got to find out why we have a water leak on my hardwood floors. We're going to go into the kitchen now. Here's the kitchen. I do wish we could keep this floor, but it is not meant to be. Not meant to be at all. It's empty. We're waiting on the cabinets. And they are at the paint. They are being painted right now. So a mini split is going to go, I believe, up above that window. I believe is where it's going. Pantry. Look at the cute. I'm going to guess the stove was right here. And then it had that, kind of like what we're putting in, the little tiles. Although our tile is going to be sparkly white. Laundry room had to get cleaned out. So we have the laundry room ready for a washer dryer and a refrigerator. It's going to go right there on the wall. And then other than that, it's all pretty bare. Somebody broke one of the doorknobs off. That's not very good. Little peek out the back window. Little peek out the back window. Still a hot mess. Very messy. Very, very messy. All right, let's go upstairs. Let's go upstairs to more mess. Oh my. So, there's our attic. And they're up there digging stuff around, which is why we've got messy insulation all over the floor. Here's the bathroom. This is the shower. Toilet. Toilet that's coming out. This is gonna, we picked out toilets last night. David's gonna have to get in here and fix these. Because, holy mackerel, did you see the electric, David?
Yep.
Look at the old electric. If anybody who knows anything about old electrics.
Rip it out and replace it.
Isn't that cool though? Yeah, but I want to see the insulate. I want to keep the insulators. Pull them out and we'll put those on the shelf or something.
Those alive.
Well, right now?
Yes.
Why?
That's where the electric's coming from.
No, but look, they're ponied off.
Yeah.
Really? Okay, well let's unlivify them. I want the insulators. All right, I showed you the built-in. Nothing's happened to that. That's all David's and my job. Holy mackerel. He cut holes. Okay, we have holes in the ceiling, but the good news is I have been very, very worried about lath and plaster just completely disintegrating the ceiling as soon as he cut a hole in it, and he did not. So we are okay. But that's not very nice. And what's that? That's not...
Screen.
Oh, it's off our window. But those are new screens. Those aren't old school screens. All right, I'm not sure I can get past this. Here's this one. He hasn't cut the hole yet in these two bedrooms. These are both gonna have holes. See where the tape is? That's where the hole goes. But I'm pretty happy, so that's pretty good. Because there was a real worry there that wasn't gonna end well. Not much happened last week. Well, it did and it didn't, but again, it's the ever waiting for the pretty stuff. There's so much infrastructure that this is very, very slow. Very, very slow. All right, I'll show you the driveway and then it's back to do knit group this morning. All right, back out the front door. And I'll show you a little bonus that we got with the driveway. My contractor, Donnie, was not very happy about it. But when the driveway was still wet, we had visitors. So we have little raccoon tracks. There's raccoon tracks all walking along the side. I think this is a water line with a good shutoff, but I don't know how we're going to put a lid on that. More raccoonies. Oh, A kitty cat. I think a cat came to visit. It's a smallish looking one. And then we have more raccoon tracks. Oh, and more cat. I think this is cat. This one's a little faint. They must have come along later because it's drier. Here's more raccoon tracks all the way up to the porch. And then the cat shows up again. Unless you know what this is. If you know what this is and I'm wrong and it's not a cat, let me know. More raccoon. The raccoon goes around the porch. I have decided that we need a name for the house. And I believe that since we have this giant magnolia tree in the front yard, that it should be Magnolia something. Magnolia Cottage? I feel like the house looks like a chalet, so I kind of feel like Magnolia Chalet. But I don't know. What do you think? I'm looking for ideas. I want to name the house because it has a place. It has a place for a nameplate to go. And so I needed a name. We need a name. And then a cute place to get a nameplate. So, what do you think? I'm going to get in the car now and have my coffee. And then back to my house. I hope you're interested in the update. It's not pretty. I keep waiting for pretty, but pretty has not happened. Nothing that I have done has happened either. David and I come in and we tell people what to do still at this point. The wallpaper is coming. I'm not sure I'm looking forward to it. Are you looking forward to it?
What, wallpaper?
Yeah.
Sure.
Oh, you are taking it down? I'm
No,
all
no,
in.
taking it
I'm all in on putting it up. I'm not in on taking it down. But last night I did go through and I picked out, I don't know, 50 different wallpapers to look at. So I've got samples coming. When I was a kid, you could go into any paint store and there would be books and books. I'm going to put my seatbelt on because I know David's anxious to go. There would be books and books of wallpaper stuff to choose from. Well, that's no more. That's not how the wallpaper gig works anymore. Here, I'm sorry, I'm shaking you around because I'm trying to multitask. Now, you have to look on the internet and then you have to have samples sent. The least expensive sample has been $1 a sheet. They're probably going to be little. Or you get a notebook paper sheet for $4 a piece. So I have sent off for a whole bunch, probably like $50 worth of samples. William Morris, because originally I wanted William Morris in the living room, but and it's expensive, so only one partial wall. But I fell down the rabbit hole yesterday and spent all day, and there are all kinds of cool wallpapers, including some with magnolia on them. So I'll show you when those finally arrive. But see you Wednesday. I'll see you Wednesday. Bye.